So today we're going to set up for our first music video. I'm going to turn this, from the state that this studio is, into a lovely looking yellow backdrop. Yeah, let's see how we get on. Let's transform this place.
Right, so where we're at is that we've done a sort of a bit of a test. We've got the screen down, but realised with the camera it's not really going to be able to fit the drum kit in it. But I reckon Jake has done this on purpose because he's been talking about redecorating his studio for about 10 years. So now he's got me getting the screws out of the wall, taking all these down, just like maybe a lick of paint, probably get a new floor in. So basically we're going to essentially wallpaper the whole room and the floor now. Should have measured it, shouldn't we?
I just want to point out, this is what happens when you're fully DIY. You order and you think, oh, I did actually measure the room and everything, genuinely. But in reality, it's still not big enough because this room's like not quite big enough. So
I'm quite enjoying doing your cables.
Yeah.
Because they're f***ing messing it.
I know.
I've got a bit of OCD.
I'm a true creative, Ben isn't, so...
I'm like militant with my cables and this is stressing me. It's been stressing me out for years, so I'm quite happy doing it, to be honest. We're building a set now.
Taking one set apart, my studio, and building a set as we go. I mean, what has the world come to?
I reckon what we're going to do is we'll film basically in that corner. So if we can get the yellow paper to like cover that wall and that wall and film like that, I think that would look cool.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to about the floor though.
Yeah, the floor will still just...
So still do the floor straight.
Yeah.
That's all we can do really, innit?
Look at him, he loves the tape measure.
I do love a tape measure. I love DIY. Well, we're going to have to knock down that wall. So
now
what we could do is we can measure how much is there.
Yeah.
And then take it off the bottom. So measure that difference. No.
Oh, right, at the top.
Just measure the blue bit.
Okay, cool. Which wall is that for? This one here?
Doesn't matter, they're both the same. We're going to have to cut that off, aren't we? Should we just get some scissors?
Yeah. I'm going to move these drums out and just lay it on the ground because you can't be standing up there like that one, right? Enjoying that, Ben?
My patience is wearing a bit thin. Thanks for picking up the tape, Jake. We've got loads. Oh, it's stuck to itself now. Oh, it's not going to be over that far, is it?
So us, isn't it? Just completely underestimating what we're trying to do.
Tell you what, that looks going to f***ing stick.
Yeah.
That is so sticky. It's a shame I put one on the wrong part of the wall. We haven't got a lot to spare. I'm just going to bang this on here.
Yeah, mate. Don't overthink it.
What are we doing on a Monday night?
I mean, I've...
Making stuff.
From it.
Doing stuff.
From it.
I get a proper job. We're just doing stuff. Yeah, mate. Oh, sorry. I can attempt.
That's alright. You stick to what you're good at, mate.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's stick to our jobs.
Yeah, it's good. We're actually getting somewhere.
That sticks.
Yeah, this one doesn't reach, but it's fine. You stick that up. I'm just going to be holding because I can't reach. Just stick it up and
It's better knock and I.
I'll get the stool then. To me, to you.
Bit wobbly this stool.
What you? Should I spin you around?
Let's do it up. Hang on, I'll bet there in a minute. Let's go around again.
Yeah, it's literally like you're doing redecorating. To be honest, this is when it looks the best, when the floor's done. You alright then, mate? So, we're actually getting somewhere now. we've realised that all this effort really probably could have hired somewhere, but I don't know if we would have. Well, hopefully the end product is worth it and it looks a little bit different because of our efforts. The thing we want to do is be able to shoot into the corner so we get more height and floor space to play with.
I think we might have actually pulled this off.
I just find it so satisfying when we actually figure it out.
That's pretty good now, mate. I'm on my toes.
Day 44. Ben's still taping the backdrop.
This is taking longer than when we drove to Gateshead for a f***ing photo shoot. We could have just filmed the music video while we were there.
Yeah, but Ben, it would have cost more in the short term.
We have children at home. What are we doing? Mate, this looks so good.
Yes.
We did it. We did something well.
It's looking pretty cool now.
That's good, isn't it?
It actually looks like
I mean,
kind of what I imagined now.
I'm surprised we pulled this off.
Yeah, me too.
To
Because
be honest,
it was disastrous at the beginning.
when we first arrived, and it's just like right. So we first got the poles out. We're like, right, they're too big. We have to film at an angle. And then it was just like, right, got it all set up, and it's like, the room's too big. So,
As much as we can, because obviously I've got to pick up the camera, got the lights here, they're in the car, so there is still set up stuff to do tomorrow. I mean,
Yeah.
we'll arrange that we. Let's be honest. Once we start filming, we're not going to be able to go longer than like a few hours.
energy-wise.
Energy-wise,
Yeah.
we're gonna, so it's okay if we have like an hour's set up tomorrow. But I don't want us to crash before we start.
Yeah.
That's what I'm concerned about.
Yeah.
You know, we're going to turn up and both of the backdrops are going to be on the ground, and we're just going to walk in and go, oh.
Should have hired somewhere. We did it. Well, we haven't done the video yet, but we built the set. Check it out.
Oh,
Mind your back, mate.
sorry, mate. Yeah, the room isn't as big as it looks, but pretty pleased, to be honest.
Oh.
We'll see you tomorrow for the video shoot. Will we not?
Bye. I'm going home.